Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back another video. Today we're talking about the Cash App 99% off boost. Okay, so a few days ago I saw this Cash App did a 99% off boost. So what that means, if you have Cash App, if you have the Cash App card, you can unlock these boosts right here. So there's tons of different boosts you can go on there and select from. If you want to learn more about this, I have a bunch of other tutorial videos on my channel. I'll link one below so you can learn about the Cash Card and boosts. But you can see that they did a 99% off boost anywhere. So you could go to any store, any restaurant, any coffee shop, whatever, use your Cash App card and get 99% off up to $50. So basically you would have had to pay 50 cents for something that was $50. And it was only for 20 minutes. And this occurred in the middle of the day, 2:35 p.m., October 15th, 2020. So I imagine they'll do more of these in the future. I just thought it was cool. I completely missed it. I saw the tweet later. So I think the best strategy here is come to their page, click the notifications, and then you're going to get notified whenever Cash App tweets. So if they do another one of these 99% off boosts, 20 minutes, go, you'll get the notification right away, and then you'll have the opportunity to do that. So I just want to share this. I thought it was pretty cool. Let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. Let us know if any of you got the 99% off boost. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.